If you've ever wanted to create your own dance, Motion Dynamics now has an online class that teaches you how to choreograph and create your own routine. I've been wanting to do this class for years, and finally the time is right. I've taught it live many times, but now I'm bringing it to you at home so that anyone can learn from anywhere. I was 7 years old when I first started choreographing dances. Did I know what I was doing? No. But I could hear music, and that really helped. As I went into 5th grade, I learned how to play music and continued to do that all the way through high school. So I learned how music is structured, how to start a thought and end a thought musically, which in turn, I'm doing that through movement as well. So a really well choreographed dance is like a puzzle. There are pieces that fit perfectly into the puzzle. Or you can think of it like a story, with each paragraph being a different movement phrase and a different music phrase. And then the whole thing makes sense. You have a beginning, and that paragraph concludes. And then you have a next paragraph, and a next paragraph, until your story is complete. That's what I'll be teaching you in creating your own dance. I'm Judy Gamet, the owner of Motion Dynamics. And I continued on from my dance classes all the way through high school to go to college at Western Michigan University. And there I learned so many concepts of creating. And I apply all of those every day. I'm going to be sharing with you how to start your dance, how to come up with that first idea of being on stage or coming in from off stage, and how it affects your dance. I'll be teaching you the power spots on the floor and how it differs if you're videotaping a routine. So you want to know how to use that strategy of the floor. I'll be teaching you contrast, and that's something that most people neglect because they don't understand how contrast makes a dance more interesting. So if you're 9 years old and up and have some dance experience, this class is perfect for you. You know, everyone deserves to tell their own story and express themselves. And every dance that you create, you'll learn more and more and more. So I hope that you'll join me. If you'd like to sign up for this class, the cost is $45 for the 4 lessons. You can email me at motiondynamics1, the number 1, at att.net. You can also check the motiondynamicsdancers.com website and see when the next class is being offered. So I hope you'll join me. It's time for you to start creating your own dances.